What do we have here? A new van added to our van collection? Why, yes. Yes, we do.
She's lost. She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
So Vicky and I have been trying to convince my brother to get a van and try to do the under $5,000 club, and he did it. I think he did a really good job. He just got a 1994 Ford E150 Explorer. Let's take a look. The paint's a little rough, but that's to be expected with this much of an older van, and that's really okay. It's what's inside that counts, and that it runs well and doesn't have any major mechanical problems or anything. It still has its original blinds. They're pretty thin, but they're there. And the guy that had it before, Blaine, put that third seat right here in, but I'm sure that that'll come right back out. What I really love about this are the little wooden cubby holes that say what goes in them. There's a fuse box, and that's where the headphones go. And this one over here says first aid. Wonder if he has any first aid in there yet. Nope, not yet. Oh, it's right there. And then his bed folds down. It's pretty cool. It's got lots of cool lights. It's got a fan that already works. And I think my favorite part are those little sun lights right there. Tons of storage. Lots more storage in the back. Here, let me climb in. It's also got an aftermarket sound system, he said, with a CD player, and there are just speakers. It's like surround sound, so that's kind of cool. Yep, it's got all these little lights. Lots of hooks. Just so cool. So cool. And you can fit a little bit of stuff in there anyway. And then these are pretty deep. I guess at one time this had a little TV in it. So cute. Yep, 1994 Ford Explorer. Not in terrible shape. He paid $3,600 for it. On the back he's got a ladder. I've got ladder envy, spare tire, and a CB antenna. Back here is a little bed control. Pretty cool. I want it to go all the way down. Huh. Oh, I see. Well, that's nifty neato. Look at that. All that room. Now he's almost 6 foot tall, so he will need this big of a bed. He can sleep catty corner. Plenty of room. So what do y'all think? You think he did good? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all stay lost, my friends.